changing an engine, not at home. That is quite a chore. You've got to find a spot where you can get it up towards shore. You got to acquire a crane that can lift out far enough with the weight of the engine, and then have somebody who can control it to the point you can line up 4 bolts, because that's all you got is 4 bolts, studs that are sticking out of the aircraft, and you put a nut on it to hold it on. I never had to do, I blew a couple of engines over the years, but we'd come home on 3 engines. That plane would fly better on 3 engines. You wouldn't climb as fast, but you had more duration. And so you just set it up for a slow climb home if you had any altitude, or circle around, get up so you're clearing the mountains and head back to Sproat Lake.